Subways. So like RAMs, they are getting abused by companies. Prices go up. Gamers cry in the corner because they are sick of all the slop leaking from the thing that hurt them directly. And to be specific, AI, the chatbot, the machine learning, whatever you want to call it. And all this could be solved if the AI bubble pops. I just know gamers are praying no, fiending on AI downfall.
Die! Think, Mark! You'll outlast every fragile...
Last year and early this year, RAM prices went up roughly 20 to 40%, especially DDR5 one. So people think it's just inflation or companies being greedy or some kind of Illuminati. Personally, I suspect the Reddit mod buying all the RAM so they can say that they have a job. I don't know, they've been quiet lately. AI doesn't run on black magic or voodoo. Of course, it's run on a huge amount of data, and that data needs RAM. How much? Good question. A normal server can run with 32 to 64 gigabytes of RAM, but the fat AI server, that's like 512 gigabytes. Sometimes goes up to 2 terabytes of RAM, and companies need a lot of them. One data center manages thousands of those fat servers. Do the math, it's enough RAM to make Chrome throw up. Training one large AI model can use petabytes of data. That's one with 15 zeros behind it. And just a little bit of terabytes of RAM. That's all. Nothing much. At this point, AI isn't just using RAM. AI is milking it.
It's my bag money now. Oh, nope. It's my bag.
Here's where it gets real. There are 3 companies controlling roughly 95% of global DRAM. Samsung, SQ Hynix, and Micron. Bro, here's what they did. They cut production when prices were low, AI demand rises, and supply can't keep up. So of course the prices skyrockets and leave us with nothing but downloading RAM from the main enemy. So remember kids, when demand spikes and the supply lags, prices don't just go up, they build a rocket just to watch human cry from afar.
Method. I used a random algorithm in accordance to your command.
Here's where it gets concerning. Since 2022 and the invention of ChatGPT and his brothers, investments in AI are up 300%. Nowadays, many AI startups make no bread, no database, no clients, all because of the brutal competition. 17% of AI tools use the same tech with different UIs. That's not called growth, it's straight up just copying. So what's really happening in this bubble? The data centers expand slowly, jumping between 20 to 30%, which is really low. RAM demand will cool down, companies stop buying like crazy, and prices stabilize or even fall big time. AI bubbles doesn't kill AI, it kills weak and repetitive companies.
The hell are you supposed to be?
What does all this mess mean? If you work at McDonald's, building your dream PC might be impossible for now. When the bubble pops, prices will normalize once the factories catch up and produces more RAM, obviously. And yeah, that's it for the video. If you like it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content like these and leave a comment. Okay, bye bye.